everyone, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video today I have two remote control cars, and my plan is to tape a GoPro to the top of it and see how Niner reacts to it. So since I'm taping the GoPro, I'm going to video it, but first I need to feed Niner because she is annoying me. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to tape the GoPro onto the remote control car. I didn't show you the remote control cars yet, so I'm gonna show you them right now. Okay, I tried to do this earlier, but the remote control cars died really easily, and I only left them like with an hour and a half of charge. It is 5:19. I plugged them in the second time at 1:30. So that would be 4.5 hours of charge, which hopefully that's enough for the remote control cars to run. So anyway, let's just go get the GoPro and the remote control cars. Okay, I got the GoPro and the remote control car that I'm going to be using. First, I'm going to place the lens of the GoPro forward, and then I have the tape behind the camera. So what I did the last time was I taped it on the top, and then I ripped some out so I could like see if it was recording or not because of this little screen. So I'm gonna do that right now. I have put the GoPro on. The GoPro seems like it won't move much, but let's just get right on into what we're gonna do. Yes. Mom. Launched. At the end, the GoPro fell off of the remote control car, so I guess my tape work didn't really work too well. But I had that other one charging just so I could play with it because I like remote control cars, so yeah. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I just thought I might answer a few questions about making videos. The camera that I use is the Sony a5100. It does have a flip screen, so that is one thing that I needed for a camera. So yeah, and then the editing software I use is Sony Vegas, and so yeah, and then I try to make videos like the best quality, like HD, and also like the best quality, like what is in the video. So if you want to make videos like me, those are some tips, and those two are what I use. So I do recommend the Sony a5100, but if you want a 4K version of my camera, like 4K, like the better resolution, then you can get the a6400, which I was gonna get before, but a5100 was cheaper, and it has everything but like the 4K. So it's basically the same camera as the A6400, but without 4K. So yeah, I just thought I'd answer a few questions. I just started editing the video. I didn't think it would be that hilarious, but this is going to be the end of the video. Sorry that this video is so short, but I didn't have anything else to do at the end. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I'm happy because it was very fun to make. And so yeah, so see you guys next time.